How to comment on Instagram stories. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, all you have to do is simply log in to your Instagram account. So once you're logged into your account, in order to comment on any story, you want to go ahead and open the story, and then you'll be able to find this comment icon. Tap onto it and just like so leave a comment. Once it is done, tap on this icon, and just like so, you now have commented on your friend's story. If you would want other to comment on your story, all you have to do is simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on this tree line icon, and just like so inside here scroll below, then from here simply tap on comments, and just like so you'll be able to find who can comment, and under that tap on stories, and just like so select who can comment on your stories. You have off, followers you follow back, and your followers. You want to go ahead and simply tick on any one of them, and just like so whenever you post a story, others can comment on your story as well. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.